Welcome to PowerPoint Mastery. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a sleek and aesthetic rotate transition effect. This will add a professional touch to your presentations, making them stand out. Let's dive right in and get started. Launch PowerPoint and click on Blank Presentation. Clear the slide by deleting the default text boxes for a clean slate. I've selected some stunning images from Unsplash.com. Copy the first image and paste it into PowerPoint using the Copy from Clipboard option in the Format background pane. Select the curved rectangle shape and draw it in the center of the slide. Choose a color that complements your image using the eyedropper tool. Set the transparency of the shape to between 20 to 30% for a subtle, elegant effect. Type your content within the rectangle. Ensure the text is clear and visually appealing. Duplicate the slide. Paste the second image using the Copy from Clipboard option. Adjust the shape's color to match the new image's vibe. Set the transparency as before, and update the content. Duplicate the second slide. Paste the third image into PowerPoint. Follow the same steps as we done for first and second slides. Select the Rotate transition for the second and third slides. This transition adds a smooth, professional touch to your presentation. Now, let's see the magic happen. Watch as your slides rotate seamlessly, creating a visually stunning effect that will captivate your audience. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing PowerPoint tips and tricks. Thanks for watching PowerPoint Mastery. See you in the next video.